pumpkin and how to turn it into a jack-o'-lantern.
Well, let's get started. Let me start by telling you what you need. Of course, you're going to need a pumpkin. You can always get these type of saws that are used especially for this, but if you don't have access to them, you can always use a knife, all right? And something that I personally like to use that makes the job easier is an ice cream scoop. Well, and once you have all the things you need, you have to look at your pumpkin and look for its bed side, you know, like this one has a very flat side. I guess I'm going to leave that in the very back of it. I think this is the best side for the job. And you can always cut, you know, the traditional way is to cut this upper part circle so that you can have access to the inside. But I personally prefer to cut down here so that it looks nicer over here once it's finished. There are a lot of different designs you can choose from. You can find a lot of them on Google or Pinterest. And something that I recommend using is a dry erase marker. Why is that? Well, because you can draw, and if you mess up, you can easily erase it. So, I mean, once you carve your pumpkin, you will not be able to see that. So, I am going to go with a traditional design. So, I'm going to show you how to do it. This is one of the most basic designs, but it always works. And well, once you have that ready, this is going to get a little bit messy, but as I told you, I prefer, you know, cut down here. So you can trace a circle so that you know where to cut. And well, it is actually not so hard. After lots of scraping, I was able to get all of these out of it. So my recommendation is to scrape out as much as you can so that you don't leave a lot of this in there. You know, otherwise you can get a lot of fruit mosquitoes like right away. It will last longer if you scrape out as much as you can, all right? And also, it will thinner the layer, and it will make it easier for you to carve the eyes and whatever design you want to go with. So the layer is not so thick, so that makes it easy for me to cut here. And well, now let's use the fast speed camera so that you can see how I do this, you know. Well, this is one of my favorite parts. This is the part where you get to pop out whatever you carved out. So let's do it. And it will start looking more like a jack-o'-lantern. So, we now have a jack-o'-lantern. So I think it looks great. I did some cleaning of it, you know, I erased the guidelines we had with the dry erase marker. I did some cutting here, and I think it's looking sharp now, and it is ready for us to, you know, to set it up. I recommend using this battery, you know, lights, because if you use a candle, it will make it go bad faster. So this way, this is a great way to make it last probably a couple of days more, all right? I hope you had as much fun as I did, you know, doing this jack-o'-lantern. Please, if you make your own, make sure to comment a picture with it on the comments below. And well, so don't forget to like and share and follow us for more. And happy Halloween. Goodbye.